So back in 2023, when I was doing my taxes for the tax year of 2022, I hired a bad accountant. This is a wild story. So I didn't know he was a bad accountant. I asked on Facebook, like, hey, does anybody have a good accountant? I'm looking for a new person. And somebody told me this guy in Bethlehem was fantastic and they were their favorite. So I call the dude up. We get an appointment with him. We go in. Everything seems fine. He's a nice enough guy and he happened to be from my home state. So there's already like a shared connection there. So everything is going along and I really didn't know a lot about taxes. Other than the basics, and we file not only for like our W-2 jobs, but we had like a rental property. Like it's complicated. It's not like your normal thing. So I get the taxes back. I really don't look at them. I just do what he tells me to do, pay the amount that I have to pay, or whatnot, and go about my day. Well, come to find a few months later, I get a document from the state of Pennsylvania, and they're like, you owe us more money. You owe us another $3,100. And I'm like, what? Like, what are you talking about? So, like, I send this document to this guy, and I'm like, why am I getting this? Like, can you explain this? And he's like, let me go look at it. I don't understand. Da, 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 da. So now I start looking at it, and I'm like, oh my God, this dude actually doubled my income only to the state, not to the federal. The federal, everything was fine. We made like over $100,000 for our household. I think it was around 150,000 or somewhere around there for the household for the federal. But for the state, he puts $248,000 on there. So I call the state up and I'm like, hey, this is wrong. We didn't make this money. We don't owe this money. They're like, no, you have to pay all the money that you made. You have to pay taxes on. And I'm like, that'd be great, except I didn't fucking make it. If I had another $100,000, I wouldn't mind giving you three. So, they would not listen to me though. And, we tried to put in an amended return. They rejected the amended return, said, no, you're lying this time. You really made $248,000. We're not going to believe you that you only made 150. So I changed accountants, obviously, because that dude couldn't even do the amended right. So that now I've been fighting with Pennsylvania for 3 years, and they told me back in 2023 or 2024 when this all came up that I had to pay that $3,000 before I could argue to get it back. So I have paid it. It's been sitting on my credit card. I've been paying interest on it for all this time because I don't have the money to pay it off. And I've been fighting with them to get it back. And there's no one that you can reach out to. It's like a portal that you can send messages through. There's no one to call. My new tax accountant has been working on it, and I even have a confirmation number for the amended return that she submitted and everything, and we still don't have an answer. To make matters worse, yeah, it gets worse. The local is now caught up with me, and they're like, hey, you made $48,000. You owe us $1,600. And I'm like, no, I do not owe you any money. I swear I did not make that money. And they're like, well, we're going to start garnishing your wages. And I'm like, I hate you. I hate you so much. So I had to call them and sit on hold for 30 minutes yesterday. I finally get somebody on the phone. I'm like, hey, I didn't make this money. What do I need to do before you start garnishing our wages? To get this taken care of? And they're like, you need to, give us a copy of the amended return and a copy of your W-2 for 2022. And I'm like, great. I have the amended return. Can't find the W-2 because it's been years and I don't know where I put it. So I had to contact my old company. I had to reach out to the IRS and see if I could get a transcript. Oh, God. And I'm just hoping at this point that something's going to come through for me because I still don't have the W-2 and I have a deadline. So wish me luck.